Saturday morning summer sounds and farmers market. Every Saturday through September 30th from 9 AM to 1 PM, Saturday morning summer sounds and farmers market takes over Kresge Park, across from Cafe 13 in downtown Danville, with produce, vendors and music. Saturday morning summer sounds and farmers market marks the triumphant return of a farmers market to the heart of downtown Danville in more than 5 years. Combining the music of DDI summer sounds and the atmosphere of the traditional farmers market, Saturday morning summer sounds and farmers market features the acoustic musicians combined with an eclectic mix of produce and art vendors, book authors, delicious food and fun, family-friendly activities. And Cafe 13 is open every Saturday during market hours, serving breakfast and lunch. As evidenced in this commercial, the music at Saturday morning summer sounds is always amazing. Saturday morning summer sounds and farmers market always feature a roster of the area's best musicians. Many musicians simply show up every Saturday morning to jam. The beautiful atmosphere, artisan slant and superlative music make Saturday morning summer sounds and farmers market the area's most scenic, festive and coolest market environment. Saturday morning summer sounds and farmers market is the perfect way to spend a Saturday with new and old friends amid the wonderful downtown community. And at Saturday morning summer sounds and farmers market, we don't charge for vendors to set up. That's right, Saturday morning summer sounds and farmers market is completely free for vendors. If you'd like to be a vendor, contact Saturday morning summer sounds via the email address in the video description. Remember, Saturday morning summer sounds and farmers market is every Saturday from 9 AM to 1 PM. in the beautiful Kresge Park across from Cafe 13. We'll see you every Saturday through September 30th.